What's up, everybody? It's Levi from Wall Street Survivor, and today we're talking Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is no stranger to the average investor anymore. The company has taken the brokerage world by storm over the past couple years, so most of you have probably heard of it or know at least a little bit about it. But since I did my last review in 2020, well, it's a new year and Robinhood has a ton of new features. This is my 4th year in a row using Robinhood as my primary brokerage. So I wanted to let you guys know in an updated video about some of the new features that they have, what I like and what I don't like about it. Now, Robinhood and Wall Street Survivor have been partnered for the last couple years because we truly think at Wall Street Survivor that Robinhood is the best brokerage app for beginners. Just to let you guys know, this video is sponsored by Robinhood, but like I said, Wall Street Survivor has been partnered with Robinhood for a long time because we truly think it's one of the best brokerage apps out there. Everything I talk about in this video is my honest opinion, and I have been using Robinhood for the past 4 years, so I have pretty good personal experience to draw on as far as using the app. I've used a lot of the different features, and overall, I'm a happy customer. All right, so let's get right into it. Robinhood has 5 main products that they offer. First, you have your run-of-the-mill stocks and funds. As an investor, you can buy a ton of stocks through Robinhood, and they also have a really good variety of index funds and ETFs, like we've talked a lot about in the past couple videos. Now, one thing I want to clarify, and something Robinhood actually got into a little bit of trouble with this year, is that yes, Robinhood does not charge you a commission fee for trading stocks, ETFs, or other index funds using their app. However, that doesn't mean that Robinhood is fee-free. The important clarification is that most index funds, no matter what brokerage you trade them on, are going to have what's called a management fee. It's not something Robinhood can control, and you can't really get around it no matter what brokerage you're trading on, but it is important to know. The second product is Robinhood Options. Personally, I've never used this feature, and options are pretty risky, so especially if you're a beginning investor, I wouldn't necessarily recommend using Robinhood for options. Their third product is Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Gold is their premium account version starting at $5 a month, which gives you access to margin trading and bigger instant deposits. Now again, if you're a beginning investor, I might not recommend starting with using this feature. I think it's great that Robinhood offers this premium account, but I've used it before, and at the end of the day, margin trading is super risky because it involves borrowing other people's money to invest, and I'm happy with the $1,000 instant deposit limit that comes with keeping a healthy Robinhood account. But if you are interested, it starts at $5 a month. I've used it. It's super seamless and easy, just like the rest of the platform. So there you have it. Fourth, they have their cash management, and this is a new product that I have not reviewed before. It's basically the Robinhood version of a debit card. Robinhood's cash management feature is just like having a bank account. You earn interest on the cash sitting in your account, and you also get a Robinhood debit card with access to over 75,000 ATMs. Two things I really like about Robinhood cash management is that they pay you 0.3% for the cash that's sitting in your Robinhood account. Often, because of buying or selling different stocks and waiting and doing my research on investing, I have cash just sitting in my Robinhood account, and it'd be nice to earn some interest on that, even if it's just a little bit. Also, with the 75,000 ATMs you have access to, that's more than the top 3 banks combined. They don't charge ATM fees for any of the ATMs in their network, and there's also no foreign transaction fees, which is a big deal if you're traveling and if COVID wasn't a thing. I just got word that my online banking account, Simple, is being shut down, so I might have to transition to Robinhood Cash Management in the near future. Okay, and lastly, feature number 5, Robinhood allows you to trade cryptocurrency, which has been making massive headlines over the past few weeks as the price has skyrocketed of a lot of the major cryptocurrencies. If you watch finance YouTube channels, you'd probably know this guy named Andre Jick, and he has a ton of videos talking about crypto and Robinhood. I've watched a bunch of them over the past couple weeks, and basically I agree with him. Trading cryptocurrency on Robinhood is definitely not the safest or most complex way to do it, but it can be useful if you just want to quickly invest in cryptocurrency and you're not worried about keeping your Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency you want to invest in a cold storage wallet. So while the option to trade cryptocurrency is there, you don't have a ton of variety on which cryptocurrencies you can trade, and you also can't send or receive any cryptocurrencies from your Robinhood account. They keep it all for you. But the feature is there and it's super convenient, so check it out. Okay, so we're finally into it. Some of the new features that Robinhood has. We talked about their new product, which is cash management, but there's 2 really important features that have come out in the past couple months that I use on a weekly basis. And the great thing about it is that Robinhood hasn't taken away any of their old features. They just added these ones to the great ones that we already love, like zero commission trading, $0 account minimums, dividend reinvesting, and buying power. These two new features are fractional shares and recurring investments. If you've watched any amount of this channel, you know that I'm a huge fan of dollar cost averaging, and these two features really help you do that. First of all, with fractional shares, it makes it a ton easier for any investor to start investing. Instead of buying an entire share of, say, a company like Chipotle that's going to cost you over $1,000 per share, you can, with as little as $1, start investing in any company on the Robinhood app. Pairing this with recurring investing, which allows me to invest in the same stocks repeatedly every week or every month, these two features really help beginning investors out. So here's what I do. Every week, I deposit $150 into my Robinhood account. Using the fractional shares and recurring investments feature, I automatically buy more fractional shares of some of the stocks that I own each week. As soon as that $150 hits my account each week, it's automatically invested in the stocks that I selected and split up using fractional shares so that I don't have to worry about purchasing entire shares. I know that my $150 is going to be invested where I want it to, when I want it to. Like I said earlier, Robinhood is the sponsor of today's video. Since I use the new features that Robinhood has rolled out over the past couple months, literally every week, I wanted to make a video about them and share with you guys. If you click the link in the description below, you can sign up for your Robinhood account today. They're offering free stocks for new users worth anywhere between $2.50 and $200. And if you share with your friends, they get a free stock too. So make sure you click the link in the description if you're interested in signing up for a Robinhood account. Thank you, Robinhood, for sponsoring this video, and thank you to you guys for watching. That's it for today's video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the Wall Street Survivor channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.